This is Mala Shingo, a dry fried hot pot dish. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you to 72 Mala Station, one of the best places in Dubai for authentic Chinese food, especially if you love spicy Sichuan flavors. We will be trying some classic Chinese dishes like Mala Shingo Beef, spicy diced chicken, Yibin burning noodles and more. Not only that, I'll take you to behind the scenes to show how these amazing Chinese dishes are made. So stick around with me. This is going to be epic and food adventure. Look at this place. It feels like I've stepped straight into the Chengdu, China. The ambience, the aroma of spices, this is going to be next level. Before we dig in, let's take a sneak peek into the kitchen to see how incredible dishes are made. These Yibin burning noodles are famous in China. They are spicy, garlicky and super attractive. This is Mala Shingo, a dry fried hot pot dish. The beef is stir fried with aromatic spices and lots of Sichuan peppercorns for that numbing fairy cake. This is amazing. The beef is perfectly stir fried, crispy edges, soft inside, and an explosion of garlic, chili and umami flavors. If you love bold, punchy flavors, this is for you. Now the next is spicy chicken wonton in a chili oil. Now we'll try and let you know how's the taste. Wow. Okay, the first impression, really crunchy on the outside. The chicken filling is juicy and packed with kick-off spices. I can definitely taste the ginger, chili sauce, which adds a nice punch. Overall, very nice. These Yibin burning noodles are famous in China. They are spicy, garlicky and super attractive. It has multi things in it. It has noodles, peanuts, it has chicken and green onions. Let me try it and let you know. These noodles are so rich and garlicky. The chili oil costs every stand, making it spicy but so flavorful. Definitely a must try. Look at this. It's crispy, spicy, packed with garlic flavor. Chili oil gives it an authentic Sichuan heat. This is spicy, but I can't stop eating it. So the food reviews are not complete without the sweet. So this one is a rice cake with a sweet sugar syrup on that. Now I'm going to try it, let you know, see how sticky it is. That's really amazing. So guys, this was an insane insane food experience. Every dish was packed with authentic Sichuan flavors. But if I have to pick top two, I would say Shingo Beef, bold, smoky and addictive, and spicy diced chicken, crispy, garlicky and packed with heat. If you're in Dubai and love real Chinese food, you have to check out 72 Mala Station. Let me know in the comment which dish you would try first. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.
大家订购此频道，欢迎大家到店里来吃饭。